You wake up, and it hits you. That annoying tingling in your hands, the weakness in your legs. It feels like your body is betraying you, and you're wondering what happened. The truth is, it is not just aging. It is collagen breakdown. But what if you could fight back? What if you could reclaim your strength, ease that tingling, and make your legs feel like they used to? In the next few minutes, I will show you the 5 fruits that will help you do just that by restoring your collagen and bringing your body back to life. As you get older, many of you deal with more than just wrinkles. You experience real, physical changes: tingling hands, weak legs, stiff joints. It is not just part of getting older, it is collagen loss. Collagen is the protein that gives your joints, muscles, and skin the strength to keep moving. But here is the catch. Collagen production naturally declines after 30, and by the time you hit 65, most of it is gone. But here is the good news. You can fight this. You do not have to rely on pills or injections. The secret to stronger joints, fewer aches, and more mobility lies in the fruits you eat. In this video, you will explore 5 of the most powerful, collagen-boosting fruits that will help you eliminate that tingling and restore strength to your legs and hands. You will not only feel stronger but more confident in your body, knowing you can take back control. By the end, you will know which fruits to add to your diet and why you will start seeing real results in a matter of days. We all feel it, do not we? The stiffness in your joints, that nagging tingling in your hands, and your legs feeling weak when you stand up. What most men do not realize is that these symptoms are not just aging, they are a direct result of collagen loss. Collagen is the protein that keeps your body together. Your joints, muscles, skin, and tissues depend on it. This gradual loss is why many men over 50 start noticing these problems. But it is not a hopeless situation. Collagen can be restored, and the key is in what you eat. The right fruits can help restore the collagen in your joints and tissues, giving you back the strength and mobility you thought was lost for good. So, let us talk about how you can take control. Let us break down why each one of these will help you feel like yourself again. Oranges are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient for collagen production. Without it, your body cannot produce collagen. A 2020 study from Harvard Medical School found that vitamin C is the cornerstone of collagen synthesis, and a deficiency can lead to joint pain, stiffness, and weakened tissues. By eating just 1 orange a day, you can start restoring collagen and protecting your joints. It is an easy, natural way to boost your strength. Kiwis are not only rich in vitamin C even more than oranges, but they also contain an enzyme called actinidin, which helps break down proteins and enhance digestion, allowing your body to absorb collagen more efficiently. A clinical trial from the University of Otago in New Zealand found that just 2 kiwis a day increased plasma vitamin C levels by 31%, improving joint flexibility and reducing stiffness within a week. Eat them with the skin on for maximum antioxidant power. Strawberries are loaded with antioxidants and ellagic acid, which protect collagen from breaking down prematurely. The American Journal of Clinical Nutrition published a study showing that strawberries can reduce inflammation markers and improve joint mobility. If you eat them regularly, you're helping your body not only produce more collagen but preserve the collagen you already have. They are simple, delicious, and powerful. Papayas contain the enzyme papain, which breaks down proteins like collagen into smaller amino acids, making them easier for your body to absorb. The National Institute of Health found that papayas' vitamin C and enzymes can help regenerate skin and joint tissues, improving flexibility and reducing pain. Papayas also fight inflammation, making them an excellent addition to your diet. Pineapples contain bromelain, an enzyme that helps break down proteins and reduce inflammation. A study from Clinical Rheumatology found that bromelain significantly reduced joint swelling and discomfort in patients with osteoarthritis. Pineapple is also rich in manganese, which activates the enzymes responsible for collagen production. Regular consumption of pineapple helps heal your joints by reducing inflammation, allowing collagen to regenerate more effectively. Let us talk about something that is often overlooked: the emotional toll of aging. As men, it is easy to feel like you have lost your edge, especially when your body starts showing signs of decline. The tingling, the weak legs, the aches. It is a reminder that time is passing. But here is what you need to know. Reclaiming your health is not just about feeling physically better. It is about feeling stronger, more confident in your own body. And that confidence extends beyond the physical. It affects your mindset, your relationships, and how you move through the world. These fruits are not just for your joints, they are about taking control. They are about saying, I am not done yet. By eating them, you are investing in your future, one bite at a time. It is not a quick fix. It is a long-term solution to restoring your vitality. The difference? You will feel empowered to move through life with strength, no matter your age. Here is the truth. Aging does not mean you have to surrender your strength, your vitality, or your confidence. The key is to start making small, sustainable changes today. These 5 collagen-rich fruits can help you restore what has been lost, eliminate the tingling in your hands, ease the weakness in your legs, and feel stronger than you thought possible. If this video resonated with you, share it with a man who needs to hear it. And remember, your body does not define you, you define it. Reclaim your strength, your health, and your vitality today. You have got this. Do not forget to hit the subscribe button for more powerful insights into aging, health, and vitality. We are here to support you every step of the way on your health journey. Let us keep moving forward.